So today is our second session, 18 morning batch. Okay. So now let's see this. Okay. Yeah. So in the last session, we have seen what is data in the last session. Okay. So I cannot unmute the voice. I cannot unmute the voice. There are 217 participants. If you want to ask, you can ask in the chat only, please. Because if I unmute, everybody will start speaking. So please, whatever the questions you have, you can chat whenever I ask you. Okay. Yeah. Now, so we have seen what is the data. We have seen what is the data. If you miss the first session, you can watch the YouTube video. I'll send the video. You can watch it. Okay. Just concentrate on this session, please. What is the data? What is the data? What is schema? What is the data I told? What is the table? What is the schema? What is the database? I told in the last session. Yes, please. Correct, guys. I have told you what is data, what is table, what is schema, what is database. So to create a table, what we required, suppose you want to create a table, what we required to create a table, what we required to create a table, we need database, we need database server. Okay, we need database server. So data is collection of information. Data is collection of information. One second, please wait. Please wait. Yeah. Okay. So database server, what is that? Data is collection of information. Table is collection of data in the form of rows and columns. Schema is collection of tables. Database is collection of schema. Now, if you want to create a table, first we need to have database server installed in our system. What are the examples of database servers? Oracle, SQL Server, Teradata, MySQL, okay, Greenplum, etc., etc. These are the database servers. Okay. So now, let's discuss Oracle in our time. Let's discuss Oracle. So if you want to create a table, okay. So if you want to create a table, or if you want to see the table, first you need to learn Oracle commands. You need to learn Oracle. Okay. Now we will discuss about Oracle in this class, in this session. We will discuss how to create a table, how to insert the records from a table, how to delete the records from a table. We'll discuss now. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. So we will discuss Oracle. So why we are using Oracle? If you want to create a table, suppose I want to create a table like this. This is my table, suppose. This is my table. If you want to create this kind of table, okay, then we should require one database server. We should require one database server. That database server is called Oracle. So now we should learn about Oracle. Okay. Now, Oracle is a database. Oracle is what? Is a database or a database server. Oracle is a database or a database server. Guys, is my voice is clear? Is my voice is clear? Everyone? Is my voice is clear? Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm trying to say, Oracle is a database that will be installed in our system. That will be installed in our system. Yes, please. So you have installed, everyone, you have installed Oracle, I guess. Okay. So you have installed Oracle. See, if my voice is too low, you have to increase your volume. Go here and increase your laptop volume. If you, maybe it is like this. If you increase your laptop volume, then my voice will be louder for you. I'm already speaking louder. Okay. So now Oracle is a database. What is Oracle? Is a database. You already installed Oracle and SQL Developer, correct? Did you install these two? Everyone? Almost all people did install these two. So to work with Oracle, we should require these two, Oracle and SQL Developer. We should require what? We should require Oracle or SQL Developer. Oracle or SQL Developer. Okay. Now, as I told you, Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. Oracle contains two parts. Oracle contains SQL, PLSQL. So to work with Oracle, you must know the below things. To work with Oracle, okay, you must know the below things. You must know the below things. Okay, below SQL and PLSQL. SQL means structured query language. SQL means structured query language. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language, procedural language, structured query language. So SQL means structured query language, PLSQL means procedural language. So now to work with Informatica, suppose if you want to work with Informatica, we are all going to learn Informatica in our training. To work with Informatica, we must know Oracle SQL at least. PLSQL if you don't know, that is fine. At least you must know Oracle SQL. You must learn Oracle SQL. You must learn Oracle SQL, please. Understood, everyone? So now Oracle database contains two parts, SQL, PLSQL. So now in our training, we will learn almost what? We will learn Oracle SQL commands. Oracle SQL commands we need to learn. What kind of commands? How to create a table, how to delete a table, how to insert the records into table, how to update the table, how to drop a table. Like this, we will learn these things. Are you clear, please? What we are going to learn? Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Understood? So now, if you want to create a table or whatever you want, now what you should know, what you should have installed, you should have installed Oracle and SQL Developer. Oracle and SQL Developer you should have installed. So now Oracle is a database. Oracle is what? Oracle is a database. So to work with Oracle, you must know SQL or PLSQL. But to work with Informatica, yes, Oracle SQL is enough. Okay. So we are learning in these the database servers. We are learning one database server. If you know Oracle, these things you can easily learn. Okay, because the syntax, whatever the commands we will use in Oracle, the same commands we will use in these things also. So you no need to learn all. You no need to learn all these things, but you must know at least Oracle. So we have discussed in the last session ETL, right? ETL. Yes, please. What is E means? Extract data, correct? E means extract. Extract what? Data. Transform. Transform what? Data. Load. Load what? Data. Extract data from a table or a file. Let's take table. Extract data from table. Extract data from a table. Transform the data and load the data to the table. So now what we are doing? We are extracting the data or reading the data from a table and transforming the data by using Informatica. Transform the data by using Informatica. And we are loading the data to table. Now a table contains where it will store. A table will be stored in schema. Schema will be stored in database. Table will be stored in schema. Schema will be stored in database. So now we should know how to create this table, how to deal with the table, how to delete the table, how to insert the records into the table. We must know now. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear what you must know? So we must know how to create a table, how to insert the records from a table, how to delete the records from a table, we must know. Okay, we must know this. Okay. Yeah. Okay, this is what we must know. Now, if you see now, okay, we will understand now how to create a table and all. So we should deal with the tables now. So for that, first, as I told you, I have different tables. I have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5. Okay. Now all these tables will present in schema. All these tables will be present in the schema. So I have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5. These tables are present in schema. I have one more schema. In this schema also, I have table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, table 6, table 7, like this. Okay. And here also. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Yeah, like this. We have this. These are the tables, and this is schema. This is schema 1. This is schema 2. This is schema 3. This is schema 3. So tables will be present in schema. Table Informatica is ability to transform. Yes, correct. Please wait. You will understand. Please wait. Who will upload the data into database? I'll tell you. Please wait. So a schema contains tables. Now all these schemas present in database. All these schemas present in database. Yes, please. That is what we have discussed in the last session. Yes, please. All these schemas will be present in database. Yes, guys. Understood? Everyone? Are you clear? Understanding everyone? Schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, and all these schemas are present in database. All these schemas are present in database. Now we must know. So we have a database already. We have a database. Suppose we have a database. What is the database? We have Oracle database already installed in our system. We have Oracle database already installed in our system. Now what we should learn? We should learn how to create a schema. We should learn now what? How to create a schema, and how to create a table we should know now. Correct, guys? Yes or no? Yes, please. That is what we must know now. Yes, please. Now, how to create a schema? First, to create a schema, you have to open Oracle SQL Developer. Before opening Oracle SQL Developer, you must see whether Oracle SQL Developer services are running or not. Suppose you want to work with Oracle. You have to go to services. You have to search with services like this. Search with services. Open the services and scroll down for Oracle. Scroll down for Oracle services. If you see here, there are 5 services for Oracle. There are 5 services: Oracle Job Scheduler XC, Oracle MTR Recovery Service, Oracle Service XC, Oracle XCCLR Agent, Oracle XCTNS Listener. We have 5 services. If you want to directly, you can open Oracle SQL Developer. Before that, it's better to check whether these 4, first one, leave it. Oracle Job Scheduler XC, leave about it. The next 4 is important. The next 4 are important things. What are those? Oracle XC TNS Listener, Oracle XC CLR Agent, Oracle Service XC, Oracle MT Recovering Service. These four services should be running in running state. If they are not running, then right click on it, start the services. Right click on it, start the services, and wait for 5 minutes. Then what is the first step now? If you want to create a schema, 1 second, please wait. Hello. Yes, please. So to create a schema, first what we should do, we should open Oracle SQL Developer. First, we need to create a schema. Suppose if you want to create a table, so if you want to create a table, tables will be stored in schema. That is why we should know how to create a schema. To create a schema, first what you have to do, you have to open Oracle SQL Developer here. Somewhere here it will be there. The icon will be present in our desktop. Somewhere here. This icon. There is an icon here, right? There is an icon you are seeing here. So this icon, Oracle SQL Developer icon. So you have to open this Oracle SQL Developer icon, double click on it. When you double click on Oracle SQL Developer icon, then it will open like this. Then it will open like this. Okay, it will open like this. So this is a Oracle SQL Developer window. From here, you need to create the schema, table, everything. Now, if you see, this is the title bar. Oracle SQL Developer is a title bar. Okay, how to start the services? Go to start the services. Open the services. Open the services, and these four: MTR recovery service, service XC, XLR CLE agent, XLR XLE TLS, XCTLS TNS listener should be running. The first one, if it is not running, that's not a problem. Leave about it. The next four should be in running status. Next four should be in running status. See, I'm telling again. You have to listen the session carefully. You have to listen the session carefully, please. You should not miss any part of the session or any session. You no need to write any notes, nothing you need to write. You no need to write any notes or something, no need to write anything, please. Okay, just read the session carefully. Just understand the session carefully, please. Understand the session, just watch the session. Don't use your mobiles, don't use anything. Just understand the sessions completely. Okay, carefully, please. Yeah. Now try to understand. So now what you have to do? First, you have to open Oracle SQL Developer. Oracle SQL Developer. When you open Oracle SQL Developer, the first bar is called a title bar. This is called a menu bar. You can click on it. You can click on like this. So this is called a menu bar, and this is called a toolbar. This is called a toolbar, and the down bar is called a status bar. Okay, this is title bar. This is title bar, this is menu bar, this is toolbar, and this is status bar. And left side window is called connection window. The left side window is called connection window. The right side window is called workspace window. Workspace window. So title bar, menu bar, toolbar, connection window, and the workspace window, and the workspace window, and the last one is status bar, and the last one is status bar. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Yes, please. That's about these things. Now, coming to this now. Okay, now first we need to, these are all schemas. These are all schemas. Maybe in your system, you have present only 3 schemas. In your Oracle SQL Developer, you might have sys schema, you might have infra DOM, infra repo, correct? You have only these 3 schemas, maybe, correct? Yes, guys. In your Oracle, when you open Oracle SQL Developer in your system, if you installed Oracle SQL Developer in your system, if you open Oracle SQL Developer window, then what it might contain? It might contain what? Info demo, info rep, and info DOM, info rep, and sys. Okay, that is what you have. Now, what you have to do? Open Oracle SQL Developer window and click on this sys. Click on the plus button for sys. When you click on plus button for sys, a sys workspace window will open. A workspace window will open. Here, you need to write a syntax. You need to write a command to create a schema. Now what we are doing? How to create a schema? How to? Number one, create a schema in Oracle SQL Developer. So how to create a schema? First, click on the plus symbol of sys. When you click on plus symbol of sys, it will open this schema. Sys is a system user that will be installed by system only. It's a system, Oracle system user. Now you have to write a command. You have to write a command to create a schema. You have to write a command to create a schema. How to write a command to create a schema? How to write a command to create a schema? Like this we should write. Create user schema name. Schema name. See, schema name can be anything. My schema name can be your name, my name, anything. For a meaningful name, I am giving OTSRC dev 13, some name. There is no meaning for this name. I am giving a name called, what is that? My schema name. My schema name is, okay, what is my schema name? Schema name is, what is my schema name? Schema name is OTSRC dev 13. OTSRC dev 13. And the password I will give as admin, small admin. So what I am doing, I am creating a schema. This name can be your name, my name, any name, but I am giving a meaningful name. Create user OTSRC dev 13 identified by admin. Identified by admin. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So what we are doing, create user, you can use password capital also. If you give password capital, you have to use capital only. So how to create a schema? Create user schema name identified by password. So create user schema name identified by password. This is a schema name. This is the password. If you give here Raj, then the password of the schema is Raj. If I am giving admin, means the password of OTSRC dev 13 is admin. Okay. After that, put a semicolon. So every command in Oracle will be end by a semicolon. After that, you give grant all privileges to OTSRC dev 13, and then give grant DBA to OTSRC dev 13. What are these two commands? You no need to understand. You not required to understand these two commands. So you no need to worry about. These two commands. Okay, just do what I say, but you must understand. This command. Which command? This command you must understand. Okay. So what is the how to create a schema? Create user schema name identified by password. User means schema. Create a schema called OTSRC dev 13 by a password called admin, and give all privileges to OTSRC dev 13 and grant database administrator to SRC dev 13. Either you can select all and execute, or you can select one by one and execute. Click if you give a semicolon, click the cursor here or select this and execute. This is execute. The green triangle mark is execute. See, OTSRC dev 13 is created. Now select this, execute. Grant succeeded. Select this, execute. Grant succeeded. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear? So this is how you need to create a schema. Otherwise, you can select all and you can execute at a time, but there should be a semicolon at last. So how to create a schema in Oracle SQL Developer? Like this. Create user, username identified by password, create user, username identified by password, grant all privileges to schema name, grant DBA to schema name. This is how you need to create a schema. Once you create a schema, next configure the schema. Configure the schema. Next thing is configure the schema. How to configure a schema? Did you understand how to create a schema? How can we know the password? It is creating by yourself. You can give any password. You are creating by yourself. So you must remember this password. Whatever the password you given, you can give anything. Like this also you can give. Password is case sensitive. Only password is case sensitive. Schema name is not case sensitive. Underscore. This is the special The special character is underscore. So we cannot give a space. That's why I am giving underscore. Underscore. Okay. So all commands are not case sensitive. All commands are not case sensitive. Okay. Please wait. Please wait. Okay. Just understand first. Don't ask in between. First understand this. Okay. So now what I'm trying is I created a schema. So apart from password, you can write in any case. So grant can be any case. Small also it can be. And schema name also can be any case. Small also. Okay. These are all case sensitive. These are all case insensitive. Only admin is case sensitive. Only the password is case sensitive. Okay. I created a schema. Now your schema should be present here. It should be visible here. Once you create a schema, your schema should be visible here. Do we have any schema called OTSRC Dev 13? We have OTSRC Dev 11, Dev 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this I have. Okay. But what is case sensitive? Password is case sensitive. Only password is case sensitive. Apart from that, all are case insensitive. Only password is case sensitive. Okay, try to understand now. So once you create a schema, your schema should be visible in the left side connection window. Are you clear? Your schema should be visible in the left side connection window. So how the schema can be visible? You have to configure the schema. How to configure the schema? Are you seeing a green plus button here? New connection. Are you seeing a green plus button? New connection. Everyone, please. Everyone, please. Are you seeing a green plus button? Please respond. Are you seeing a green plus button? Yes. Okay. Then click on this plus button. Click on this plus button. Okay. Click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, now it is asking name, username, password. The name will be your schema name. What is your schema name? OTSRC Dev 13. OTSRC Dev 13. Username also same. Whatever you give here, you should give here. OTSRC Dev 13, OTSRC Dev 13, and the password, whatever you given here, the same case, the same uppercase means uppercase, lowercase means lowercase, capital letters means capital letters, small letters means small letters. I am giving admin. I am giving admin. And then click on save password. Click on save password. Admin, click on save password. Okay. Once you click on save password, test. And then connect. So what you have to do? Whatever the schema name you have to click on plus button. You have to click on plus button. Then you have to give OTSRC Dev 13. That is the schema name. Username also same thing. OTSRC Dev 13. Password is admin. Whatever I given the password, I given here. Save password, test, and connect. Once you connect, the OTSRC Dev 13 are you seeing here? Are you seeing at left side window a plug button, a plug symbol? Yes, please. Okay. So what we have done? We have created a schema and we configure the schema and we configure the schema. Where this configuration is stored under sys schema, it is stored. Under sys schema, it is stored. So what we have done? We have created a schema and we have configured the schema. If you click on the plus button, see, it has come. When I connect it, it has come OTSRC Dev 13. OTSRC Dev 13, it has come here, the workspace window. In the navigation window or connection window, click on plus. Now here we have tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures. These are all database objects. Actually, schema is a collection of database objects. Okay, table is one of the database objects. So fine, we'll call schema is collection of tables. So now we don't have any table here, correct? We don't have any table here. We need to create a table. Are you clear, please? How to create what is localhost and SID? It's a database name and also computer name. If you click here, what is this? What is this host name? This is the computer name. This is the port number. This is the port number. Okay. Schema is called user. Correct. Yes. This is the host name. This is the port number. This is the SID. Okay. That you no need to worry about it. Leave about it. Okay. So host name means computer name. Host name means computer name. So local host means this computer. Local host means this computer. So now what I have did, I have created a schema and I configured the schema and port numbers are fixed. Yes, it is fixed. It will not change. It will not change. Okay. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Why we need to configure? If you don't configure, where you will create a table? If you don't configure now, so this is my schema. This is my schema. What is the schema name? OTSRC dev 13. OTSRC dev 13 is my schema name. Now you need to create a table 1. You need to create table 2. You need to create table 3, table 4, table 5. Under this schema, you can create many tables. Are you clear? Under one schema, you can create n number of tables. You can create 100, 200, 300, 500, 700, 800, n number of tables. There is no limit. Under one schema, you can create many tables. That is why we created a schema and we configured it. If you don't configure, this window will not open. When you configure it, this window will open. Now you need to write how to create a table. Are you clear, please? Understood now how to create a schema? Did you understand how to create a schema? Are you clear? Did you understand how to create a schema? Are you clear, please? This is how you need to create a schema. Once you create a schema and configure it, now create a table. Now what to do? Number 3, you have to create a table. Create a table. Just wait 1 minute. Somebody are calling me. I'll come back in 1 minute. Please wait. I'll come back in 1 minute. Please. Yes. While creating any schema, you have to create from sys only. While creating any schema, you have to create from sys only because sys is a system user. You have to create from there only. Okay. And you can create n number of schemas. There is no maximum number. You can create n number of schemas. Okay. Guys, did you understand how to create a schema? Everyone, did you understand how to create a schema? Are you clear, please? Yeah. Now, how to create a table? See, please. Normally, how to create a table? How to create a table? Okay. See, please. How to create a table? Suppose this is the table, correct? Table is collection of rows and columns. Table is collection of rows and columns. This is a table, correct? This is called a table. Suppose my table name is students. My table name is students. Okay. My table name is students. Now, first tables should have columns. Table should have column names like this: student ID, student name, student marks, student city. Yes, please. This is how a table looks like. Yes or no, please? Suppose my table name is students, and student names should have column names. These are the columns: student ID, student name, marks, city. These are called columns. Columns are fields. Columns are fields. First, what we need to do? We need to create a table. So this is called a table structure or definition. First, you need to create a table definition. You need to create a table definition. Normally, student ID will be numbers or characters. Student ID should be numbers or characters. Student ID will be numbers or characters, normally numbers. So student ID should contain numbers. Student name should contain characters. Okay, characters. Okay, and student marks should contain decimal points. Decimal points. Student city can contain characters. Characters also called strings. Characters also called strings. Okay, so while you are creating a table, you should decide what data I want. Student ID, I want number data type. This is called a data type. Student name, I want character data type. That is varchar. Varchar means character data type. Student marks, I want decimal data type. Decimal data type. Student city, I wanted varchar data type. So you need to decide. You need to decide what data you want into this table. So first, you need to learn how to create a. First, you need to learn how to create a table. First, you need to learn how to create a table. See, Oracle SQL consists of 3 types of commands. Oracle SQL, what is the difference between varchar and varchar2? Both are same. Okay, both are same. Varchar2 is an advanced version of varchar. That's it. So, see please, we have 5 types of commands in Oracle. 5 types of commands in 5 basic types of Oracle SQL commands. Oracle SQL commands. There are 5 basic types of Oracle SQL commands. What we have? We have 5 basic types of Oracle SQL commands. So what are the 5 basic types of commands? We have DDL commands. We have DDL commands, DML commands, TCL commands, DQL commands, and DCL commands. What we have? We have DDL commands, DML commands. See, these are all what are these commands? 5 basic types of Oracle SQL commands. Oracle SQL commands to deal with the table. Okay, to deal with the table. What are those? DDL. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language. Data definition language. Next one is data manipulation language. DML means data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. TCL means transactional control language. Transactional control language. Transactional control language. Okay, and transaction control. DQL means data query language. Data query language. DCL means data control language. Data control language. So these are the 5 types of commands. DDL commands. So these are like ABCDs of Oracle SQL. In English language, we have ABCDs. Same way in SQL, in Oracle SQL, these are the ABCDs. So DDL means data definition language. DML means data manipulation language. TCL means transaction control language. DQL means data query language. DCL means data control language. Data control language. Okay. Now, in DDL, what are the commands available? In DDL, we have create command, alter command, drop command, rename command, truncate command. So these are the commands. These are the Oracle SQL commands belongs to DDL, and DML commands are insert, update, delete, and TCL language are commit, rollback, commit, rollback. Data control language are select. So that is the select statement. And data control language is grant and revoke. Grant and revoke. Now, first you need to learn these commands. So create command, alter command, drop command, rename command, truncate command. Rename command, truncate command. DML means insert command, update command, delete command. TCL means commit, rollback, commit, rollback. DQL means select. DCL means grant and revoke. Are you clear, please? So now we should learn these types of commands. These 5 basic types of commands we must learn now. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Now, in this, the first command is create table command. To create the table structure, to create the table structure or definition, first thing is you have to create the structure or definition of a table. Structure or definition of a table like this. Like this, we need to create a structure. We need to create an empty table first. Okay, we need to create a empty table first. What is that? What is that exactly? That is what this. Okay, we need to create the table first. We need to create table first. How to create a table? I'll show you now. How to create a table? I will show you now. We are creating a table. See now, student ID, maximum how many numbers you want? Student ID, we should decide maximum how many numbers you want. Student ID maximum how many numbers you want? Suppose 10 numbers. 10 numbers. Let's take 10 numbers or 3 numbers. Let's take 3 numbers. Student ID should contain 3 numbers. And student name should contain how many numbers? How many characters? Student name should contain how many characters? Maybe, okay, 20 characters. 20 characters student name. Student marks, decimal or number 8,2. I can say number 8,2. What is this? Or number 5,2. What is this 5,2? I'll tell you. 5,2. Number 5,2. Number 5,2. Now city. City contains varchar. City contains varchar to 50. Varchar to 50. Yes, please. So you must decide before you create a table, what are the column names I want, how many columns I want, what are the column names I want, and what are the data types. These are called data types. These are called column names. So I want 4 columns in my table. You should decide the table name. My table name is students. My table name is students. This is my table name. My table name is students. And I need 4 columns. The column names are student ID, student name, student marks, city, and the data types are the student ID should contain only 3 numbers. Student name should contain 20 numbers. Student marks contain 5,2. Student city contains 50 characters. Like this I want. So now you should know how to create a table. So write it under OTSRC Dev 13. So where you need to write? You are creating one table. You are creating one table in OTSRC Dev 13. Yes or no? What I am doing? I am creating a table. I am creating a table in OTSRC Dev 13. 1 second. So I am creating one table called students under OTSRC Dev 13. What I am doing? I am creating one table. So this table name is called students. This table name is called students. So under OTSRC Dev 13, I am creating a table. What is the table name? Students. What is the student table name? Students. 1 second. 1 second, please. So now how to create a table? So we must create in which schema? OTSRC Dev 13. That is what we created. Suppose this is closed. This is closed. What to do? How to get this window? OTSRC Dev 13. Click on here. Click on this OTSRC Dev 13. Click on plus. When you click on plus, it should open. If it don't open, right click on it. Open SQL worksheet. Right click on it. Open SQL worksheet. So right click on that schema, open SQL worksheet. Now it has come. OTS version 13. Under here, you need to write the table, create table. How to create a table? Like this: create table, open bracket and close the bracket. Create table, table name. Create table, table name. Open the bracket and close the bracket and write the column names. What are that? Serial number. Serial number, number 3. Serial student number, that is student ID, right? Okay, student ID, right? Student ID, number of 3. Column names, that is your wish. Any column name you can create. Student ID, student name. Student name is varchar2. So 50 up to 50 characters or 20 characters it can allow. Then student marks. Student marks will be, student marks is number 5,2. Number 5,2. What is 5,2? I'll tell you. Next, city. City is varchar2 50. Like this, you have to write. So what you have to write? Create table, table name. Create table, table name. All or any case you can write. You can write in uppercase. You can write in smaller case. Okay, any case you can write. Create table, table name. Create table, table name, and student ID. If you have numbers and characters which data type, I'll tell you. Please wait. Okay. So create table, table name, student ID, it's a number, student name, character, student marks, decimal things, city, character. Okay. Now you execute it. When you execute it, varchar to spelling wrong. Varchar to spelling wrong. Okay. Yeah. So what you have to do? Put a semicolon. So create table, table name, column 1, data type, size, comma, column 2, data type, size. This is called size. Column 3, data type, size. Column 4, data type, size. Close it and use a semicolon. Close it and use a semicolon. Now, table students is created. What it has done? Table students is created. Are you clear, please? Are you clear how to create a table? Are you clear how to create a table? So to create a table, this is a syntax. This is a syntax. Create table, table name, create table, table name, and you have to varchar, varchar2 both are same. Varchar, varchar2 both are same. You can use anyone. You can use anyone, please. Varchar2 is the advanced version of varchar. So this number varchar are called data types. What type of data? What? Unlimited? No. Unlimited name you can't. You can use 5,000. Your name you want 5,000 characters you want. You can use 5,000. No problem. But as a meaningful thing, so what type of data you want to store? Student ID should contain number type. Student name should contain character type. Student mark should contain decimal type. City contains character type. That is called data type. These are called data types. Are you clear, please? Understanding? So student ID number of 3 means it will allow only 3 digits. Yes or no? Student ID number of 3 means it will allow only 3 digits. Yes or no? Are you clear? So you cannot have like this. You cannot have like this. You cannot have like this. So it will allow only 3 numbers till this number 999 or 200 or 10 or 0 or 20. Any number below last, the maximum 3-digit number is 999, correct? The maximum 3-digit number is 999. Yes or no? Yes, please. What is the maximum 3-digit number? Till that, you can use a 0 or 20 or 200 or 1 also you can use. Okay. Any number from 0 to 3 numbers it will accept. Now student name up to 20 characters it will accept. That is Rajesh. Okay. Rajesh, Uday. Okay. So Uday, Chetu. Okay. Raj. Yes, please. Ramya. Okay. Divya, like this. Till how many characters? Till 20 characters. Till 20 characters it will allow. Student name can be having 20 characters, up to 20 characters. So you can have any, you can have 0 to 20 characters, 1 to 20 characters. Now number 5,2. Number 5,2. What we have? Number 5,2. Number 5,2 means this is called the length and precision. See, what is this means? The total numbers, the total digits should be 5. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. the total digit should be 5. In that, the last two digits should be before last two digits, a dot should be there. Number 5, 2 means total digit should be 5, and before last two digits, a point should be there. Okay. So this can now student marks can allow 999.99, 1.1, okay, 1.20, okay, 1.1.2, 1.23, it will allow, and 22.22, okay, it will allow, 1.0, it will allow, 1, or 45, 453.15, it will allow. Are you clear, please? Number 5, 2 means the total numbers, the total digits, okay, 0.45 also, yes, 0.45 also it will allow, okay, 0.45 it will allow, 99.99, it will allow 99.99, yes, okay. So number 5, 2 means, number 5, 2 means 0 to this number, 0 to this number it will allow, 0 to any number in between. Any number in between, you can write 0 to 999.99. So the maximum number should be, the maximum digit should be 5. In that, last two digits should be before last two digits, a dot will come before two digits. Suppose number 8, 3 means, suppose number 8, 3 means the total digits are 8. The total digits are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total digits are 8. In that, before last three digits, before last three digits, a dot should be there. Are you clear? Total should be 8 numbers. Total should be 8 numbers. In that, before last three digits, a decimal should be there. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding? Everyone, what is number 8, 3? So that is how it will work. That is how it will work. Okay. Now city can be, I'll tell you, contain numbers and characters. I will tell you, please wait. Please wait. Let's see first this. Let's see first this. Now city can be maximum 50, maximum space also you can give. Spaces also you can give. Like this you can give. Okay. Bangalore space B. Okay. So the city is Bangalore space B. Chennai, Mumbai, Goa. Okay. Kolkata, Vizag, like this you can write it. Okay, a varchar contains a space also. So till 50 numbers it will accept. Okay, understood? So numbers will accept till 3. If you give number of 3, 0 to 3 digits, and varchar to 20 means 1 to 20 characters. Space also will consider as a character. Correct. Space also will consider as one character. Now number of 5, 2 means student marks. Number of 5, 2 means, okay, so the total digit should be 5. Before the two digits, a dot should be present. Varchar, that is city, means this is the 1. Are you clear, please? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Understood? Are you clear, please? So now what we'll see, number data type will allow numbers only. Number data type will allow numbers only. Numbers will not allow characters, but varchar 2 data type will allow characters. Will allow what? Will allow characters. Number varchar data types will allow characters, will allow numbers also, will allow alphanumerics also, That means see, please. Let me see here. Suppose this is the one. This is my table. Numbers will allow only numbers. If you write ABC, it will give error. For student ID is what data type? Student ID is what data type? Student ID is what data type? Student ID is number. Number will not allow characters. Numbers will allow only numbers like this. Okay, number of 3. That means 11, it can allow. 12, it can allow. 50, it can allow. 500, it can allow. 700, it can allow. like this. 700, it can allow. Okay, 700, it can allow. 5,2 decimal comes like, see, 5,2 means maximum 5 digits only. There is nothing difficult here, please. Do not ask me again and again. 5.2 means the maximum digits are 5. For 5.2, you cannot write like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. 555.556, it is. You should give now. If you want to write this, you should give us number 6,3. Number 6,3. This is number 6,3. This is number 6,3. This is number 5,2. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? That's finished. Okay, now. See, student ID is a number, means it will allow only numbers. It will not allow characters. Student name. Student name can be numbers. If you want student name as 30, fine, it will allow. It can be ABC123, ABC123, it will allow. Okay. Or if it is like this, Informatica 123, it will allow. Informatica 123, it will allow. Special characters also. Or ABC $% okay, 1, it will allow. Okay, it will allow any space also, ABC space DF. So characters varchar2 or varchar will allow delay underscore yes, can allow delay underscore 987. Yes. Okay, varchar2 data type, varchar or varchar2, anything, varchar or varchar2 data type will allow characters, numbers, will allow what and all? Will allow characters, numbers, alphanumerics, numbers and numerics, all these things, mixed characters will allowed by what? Will allowed by varchar2 data type. Are you clear? Number will only allow numbers. Varchar2 data type can allow anything. A space it will allow. Okay, delete space 987. It will allow. It will allow. Okay, including space, it should be 20 characters. And numbers, so this is like this. Varchar, varchar2, both are same, please. Varchar2 is an advanced version of varchar. So don't think too much about the data type space. Okay, don't think too much about anything. Just understand whatever I said. Okay, if we keep on asking the questions, we'll be here only. We'll not move forward at all. So just wait, please. So it can be 1.12, 1 or 12, 1.12, 123.1, 456.12, like this. Now student city, any city, that means anything. Again, varchar, suppose if it is Bangalore 2, Chennai 33, like this, it can allow Vizag 0. Okay, Vizag underscore at, it can allow Vizag underscore at. Okay, it can allow. It can allow. Like this, it will allow alphanumerics, anything characters will allow. Okay, IJK, it will allow. Are you clear, please? Understood now? Everyone, are you clear? Understanding? Are you clear, please? You can give 5.5, 3 also, 5.4 also, 5.5 also. Anything you can give as per requirement. As per requirement, you can give. Are you clear? Yes. So now we created a table. How to create a table? Create table, table name, open and close the bracket, student ID. You should decide what is your table name, what are your column names, what are your data types, what data it should contain, and how much data it should contain. You should decide before you create a table. Then you create a table, create table, table name, student ID, number of 3, student name, varchar 20, student marks, number 5,2, city, varchar of 50, and select it and execute. Table students created. Okay, table student created. Where you will see this table? Where you will see this table? You can disconnect and connect your schema. Right click on it. Right click on it. Right click on it. Disconnect and connect. Right click on it. Disconnect and connect your schema. And here you select this plus symbol. You select this plus symbol. Here, are you seeing a student table is created? Did you see that? A student table is created. A student table is created. Yes. Now, so you created a table. How to create a table? This is how you have to create a table structure. This is how you have to create a table structure. To create the table structure definition, this is the one. Number two, next. How to see the structure of a table. Once you create a table, how to see the structure, how to see the structure of a table. Structure. What is structure spelling? ST structure, right? Yeah. Structure, to see the structure of the table. To see the structure of the table. What is the command? See, please. You can see here also. DSC, describe. DSC, table name. DSC, table name. If you see this, see please. DSC, table name. Select. See, the table structure it is showing. This is called a table definition or a structure. Definition or a structure of a table. Definition or how to see the structure or definition of a table. DSC students. DSC means describe. You can either give DSC students or you can give describe also. Or you can give describe also. DSC is a short form of describe. DSC is a short form of describe. Are you clear, please? Understanding everyone? How to create a create a table, how to see the structure of a table. Are you clear? Understanding? Now, next thing is how to see the rows in a table. How to see the rows or records or data. How to see the rows of the table or records of the table or data in a table or data in a table. How to see the rows or records or data in a table. Okay. So how to see it is like this. You can see. Select star from table name. Select star from table name. Select star from table name means select all the columns from the table name. It is showing we have created one empty table. It is only having column names. These are called column names, correct? Or these are column names? Yes, please. Student ID, student name, student marks, city. This is an empty table. It contains only empty. It contains only empty records, zero records or zero data. It contains only zero data. So to see the records or rows or data in a table, select star from student. Select star from table name. Select star means all columns. Select all columns from the table name. Then it will show like this. So we have created a table structure. We have seen the table structure. We have seen the data inside it. Now, how to insert the rows or how to insert or enter rows or records or data in a table. How to insert? Okay, what I can say, how to insert or enter rows or records. Suppose I want this data. This data I want, like this I want. Okay, so this, the table, it is now having like this, right? My table is like this having. See, my table is having student ID, student name, student marks, student city. Now I want it like this, full. I want to insert these records. I want to enter these records in the table, correct? Shall I enter these records in a table? Yes, please. Shall I enter these records in a table? Now how to insert? To insert the records in a table, we should have insert statement. What to write? You should write like this. Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Open the brackets, column names. What are the column names? Student ID, student name, comma, student marks, comma, student city, close the brackets, values, student ID. Suppose I want 10. Student ID, I want 10. That is student ID is 10. Student name, Raj, I want. Raj is a character data type. For character data type or a string, character, see, character means, what is a character, what is a string? What is meant by character? What is meant by string? Character means single character, A, B, C. String is collection of characters, A, B, C, Raj, Ram, Bangalore. This is called string. Group of characters is called string. Single character is called a character. Okay. So for string data types, for varchar data types, you must give in the single quotes, because my student name is varchar to data type. It's a string. That's why I must give in a single quotes. Raj should be in single quotes. Now student marks 15 comma or 150 comma 12, 150 comma 150 comma 12. Okay, my marks are 150 comma 2, and student city is Bangalore. Student city is Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore should be in single quotes. Why? Because Bangalore is a city. City is a varchar data type. City is a varchar data type. So what we have to do? Insert into column name, student ID, student name, student marks, city, values. So inside it, what we have to do? Student ID is 10. Student name is Raj. Student marks is 150.12. City is Bangalore. Take this and execute. So one row inserted. Yes or no? Is one row inserted? Is one row inserted? Yes, please. Are you clear? So if you can see again, select staff students. See now, 10, Raj, 152, 150.12, Bangalore. Is it Kim? Yes, please. Understanding everyone? Understood everyone, please? Okay. Now if you want to insert one more record, so copy paste this record, copy paste it and change the values. Change the values. 20 or 30, Ram. Okay. It contains 999.225. Okay. And this is Chennai. And this is Chennai. Suppose you want one more. I'll write one more. Okay. 50. Okay. And Ram Sundar, Ram space Sundar, I'll write. Okay. I will write 0.15. 0.15. I'll write Goa. Like this. Like this, you can insert n number of records. You can insert n number of records. You can insert n number of records like this. So now both execute at a time. This already executed. These two execute at a time. See, one row inserted, one row inserted. Now check select star from students. Now there are 3 records in my table. Okay, 10 Raj, student marks is 150.12, city is Bangalore. Student ID 30, student name Ram, student marks 999.25, city Chennai. Student ID 50, student name Ram Sundar, student marks 0.15, city Goa. Are you clear? Okay, you can insert multiple rows in a single line, but don't insert like that. Don't insert space also will count one line. Space also will count one line. Yeah, if suppose we have 50 columns, we need to enter the values manually. Yes, we need to enter the manually. There is no other way. As of now, we need to enter manually. We'll see those other things later. Are you clear, please? We can add multiple lines. We can, if I want to insert multiple lines, we can, but not required. This is the easiest method. This is the easiest method. Just copy paste. Just copy paste. Copy paste this. Copy and paste. Control C, Control V. Now write it. 99. Okay. Suppose I want Ramya at $. Okay. And I wanted 99.29.35. Okay. And suppose I wanted Kolkata like this. Execute. Inserted. Now check, please. So 4 records got inserted. Are you clear? How to insert the record in a table? How to insert the records into table? Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Okay. And column names, values. The first value belongs to first column name. Second value belongs to second column name. Third value belongs to third column name. Fourth value belongs to fourth column name. And the character data types, in real time, what we need to do, we'll see later, please. First, we'll understand the basics. In real time, what we need to do, anyway, I'll discuss later. Okay. We'll discuss later. Please tell me when we have to grant commands as we used for schema. Just while creating, you need to grant it. That's it. After that, no need to use at all. Just one time. That's it. Okay. So this is how you need to create. For number data types, you no need to give single quotes, but varchar data types, varchar data types, you must give single quotes. Are you clear, please? Understanding how to insert the records in a table? How to insert the records into a table? Did you understand? Did you understand how to insert the records into a table? Yes, please. By using insert command. By using insert command, we can insert the records into table. Now, once you insert the records into table, you must commit. Commit means save the records in the table. How to save the records in a table? How to save the records to the table? How to save the records to the table? By using commit command. By using commit. By using commit command, you can save the records to the table. Okay, another data types we are using in create table, we will see. Many data types are there, we will see one by one. First, we'll understand this. The small things, permanently it will save, correct. Permanently, it will save. Are you clear how to save the records? Once you insert varchar to alias numbers, then it is what is the need of number data type? Number is number. See, these are not numbers actually. These are numbers in the character data type, but these are exact numbers. For numbers, we must use number data type only. For only numbers, we should not use characters. You must use numbers only. You will understand later sessions. You will understand. Don't think to understand everything in one session, please. Do not think I should understand entire Informatica, entire Oracle in one session. See, my training is organized training. Step by step, we will learn. Not like everything we will learn in one. Nobody can learn everything in one session. So you should have patience to learn first. Are you clear? What is the need of commit? I'll tell later. I'll tell later. Please wait. Please wait. Are you clear? How to create a schema? How to create a table? How to see the definition or structure of a table? How to see the rows or records in a table? How to insert or enter the records in a table? How to save the records in a table? Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Understood, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Now, if I want to see how to see one or two columns, how to see one or more columns, one or more columns from a table. See, if I give select star from table name, it will show all columns, correct? So it will show. Select means show on the screen. Whatever there in the table, show on the screen. If you give select star from students, it will show select all the columns from the table. It will show all the columns from table. You want only student ID. Then select student ID from students. Only it will show student ID. It will show from the table. In the table we have 4 columns, 5 records, but it will show only student ID. If you want to see why we need to configure the table in a schema, I am not configuring the table. I configured schema. So please try to understand first. So select, if I want student name also, select student ID, comma name from students. Select student ID, comma student name from students. Are you clear? Select student ID, comma student name from students. Okay. If you want 3 columns, student marks also, write like this. If you want fourth column also, student city, you can write it like this. Are you clear? What is that? City, just city. Yes, please. Like this. You can either use star or column names, or 1 column or 2 columns also you can use. Are you clear? Understanding? To see a row, I'll tell later. To see only rows, I'll tell later. Please wait. So to see 1 or more columns, you select those 1 or 2 columns in the select statement. That is called what? That is called how to see the records from a table. How to see 1 or more records. How to see 1 or more records from a table is, okay. Select student ID, comma student name from students. Are you clear, please? How to see the number of columns? Are you clear? Suppose you want to see the total number of, how to see the count of the records, count of the records, count of the records from a table. How to see the count of the records from a table? How to see the count of the records table? To see the count of the records from a table, you can write like this. Select count star, count of star. See, in this table, how many column, how many rows are there? In this table, how many rows are there? 4 rows. How many columns are there? 4 columns. Student ID, student name, student marks, city are 4 columns, and 10, 30, these are rows. If you want to see the count of the records, select count star from students. Execute. There are 4 records. Suppose if I go to any schema, suppose if I go to this schema, in this I have the tables already. In this I have the table. If you see, select star from contacts. Suppose in the contacts, I have many records. Instead of scrolling down, how many records? You can write select count of star from contacts. Select count of star from contacts. 319 records. 319 records are there in this table. So how many records? 3. How to see the count of the records? Select count of star. Select count of star from the table name. From the table name. How to see the single person record? By using a where condition, we can see. I'll tell in the next session. I'll tell in the next session. Now, did you understand, please, everyone? Did you understand? Did you understand today's topics? What are the today's topics? I told you how to create a schema, how to configure the schema, what are the basic types of SQL commands, what is DDL, DML, TCL, TQL, TCL, and how to create a table definition. You cannot see how many number of columns, only you can see how many number of rows. There is no query to see how many number of columns. Okay, you have to count the columns only. How to create a table, how to see the definition or structure of a table, how to see the rows or data in a table, how to insert the records in a table, how to save the records in a table, how to see one or more columns in a table, how to see the count of the records from a table. Are you clear? Understanding? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear, please? So yesterday, day before yesterday, my employee Prajakta, see, there are many people who did not install Informatica, correct? Who did not install Informatica? There are many people. Yes or no? So you no need to worry. Next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. By Tuesday night at least. Today, tomorrow, by Tuesday night, try to install Informatica. Try to install Oracle and Informatica. So yesterday, day before yesterday wasted because my employee Prajakta, her system was not working. Her internet and power was not working. That's why yesterday, day before yesterday, she is unable to help. But for somebody, she helped. Okay. If you need more help, she will help today and tomorrow. You don't need to worry. By Tuesday night, try to install Oracle and Informatica. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Yes, please. Don't think that yesterday and day before yesterday, Saturday, Sunday, she did not help you because she was having a problem. She did not help you. Not wantedly, please. So please wait with patience. So I am not going faster. I am going very slow. Okay, initial sessions will be very slow. So try to understand the sessions and practice after the class. I'll create the practice groups by today or tomorrow. I'll create the practice groups also. So please practice with them. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Guys? Okay, so you no need to worry. And you can post the screenshot in the group. People also will help you. Okay, I will send the notes to you. And I told you already to see the video, of today's session. Today's session, I'll put it in the YouTube. But from third session onwards, you should have to see the video of the class. Okay, or to get the material, to get the daily material, you should have website access. You should have website access. When you will get website access, you will get website access after full fee, after paying After paying full fee, you will get website access. So please pay the fee as soon as possible and get the website access, daily material, everything. You will get it. You will get it. You will get it after you pay the full fee, please. So please pay the fee. So please pay the fee as soon as possible and get the access. Parameterization. Parameterization. There are many sessions should over. Okay. So send message for host only. I'll enable it. So there are many sessions available. So please don't ask me the advanced questions. Okay. So the last video, whoever joined today, I'll send today's video and yesterday's video, both. That is last Friday video. You can watch them. Last video I'll send in the group. You can watch them. Today's also. Okay. Fine, guys. See you on Wednesday. So if you are not getting Raj Informatica suppose you are not getting Raj Informatica.com, it is unable to open. You are unable to open this page. If you are unable to open, what you have to do? If you are unable to open, go to these three dots. Settings. If my website is slow or if you are unable to open, go to the settings and here privacy and security, and here clear browsing data, and then click on advanced, select all time and clear data. When you clear data and close the browser, close the Google Chrome and open again, it will open. And open again, it will open. Are you clear? How to create a schema? It's very easy. How to create a schema? Suppose this is not there. How to create a schema? Suppose open Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, after that, what to do? Click on this plus sys. Click on sys. Once you click on sys, this one will open. And then here you have to create it. That's it. Create username, identify your password, grant all privileges, grant DBA. Execute it, your schema will be created. Are you clear, please? So my session is understandable? In the website, go to my first video. In the website, I explained how to get this material. How to get the material, I already explained. Go to my first video, please. Watch the first video again. Last 20 minutes, I explained how to see the video, how to get the material. You will get the material. For whoever paid full fee. That's it. DBA is database administrator. DBA means database administrator. Today we have to practice in our laptop. Yes. Next session is on Wednesday, please. Next session is on Wednesday. So my session is understanding? Everyone? Yes, please. What is the difference between infodom? I'll tell later. In the next session, I'll tell. So, fine, guys. See you on Wednesday. Thank you all. Wednesday by sharp. See, please. Again, one more thing you need to understand. Wednesday, please join by 9 a.m. only. 9 a.m. I will start the meeting at 8 a.m. I'll start the meeting at 8:30 a.m. But you please join by 9 a.m. and I will start the session. Exactly by 9:30 a.m. I will not wait for anyone. So if you want to join half an hour before and check the access and check it, everyone. Don't join at 9:30 and don't call me that I'm unable to join. So please join by 8:30 only. I'll open my meeting 8:30, but 9:30 exactly I will start the session, please. Okay? Yes, please. Are you clear? Fine, guys. See you on Wednesday. Thank you all. Bye-bye. See you guys. See you on Wednesday. Thank you all.